Welcome to my class. Come to the topic. Try to answer these questions. Okay. Look at the first point. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Means what? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Okay. Very simple. Where I'm going to use where are no, where is according to your subject. Where's 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 your friend? Where's your friend? Where is your friend? Where is your friend? Where's your friend? Where's your friend? I have used where are, where is. Look at the number 3. How are, how are your parents? How are your parents? How, look at here. How is use according to subject. How is, how's your father? How's your father? How is your father? How's your father? Here we are using R is along with the question board. What are you doing? What are we doing here? We are making questions. We are making questions. Number 5. Is we are making questions. We are using is are. Is your book somebody has seen, someone has seen. Is your book there? Is your book there? See. Here I haven't used question word. Is is your book there? Are your shoes black? Are your shoes black? Once again, I haven't used any question word, any WH family, but I haven't used here. Is there any question? But no. This question just begin with the is. I have used here are. See, is are. 7. Now this time we are going to use I clear. I clear? Okay. Look at a board. Learners, I have just put down a few questions. You may observe like this. Number 1, where? Where are you? Where are you? It's maybe something tougher while reading. How to read it? Where are? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Look at number 2. Where is? Where is? Where's your friend? Where's your friend? Where's your friend? Where's your friend? Where is your friend? Where's your friend? Look at number 2. Just think about the questions. And thereafter you try to understand what will be their answers. Okay? Where's your friend? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where's your friend? Where are you? Where's your friend? Are you getting something? I will come back to the point. Look at that point number 3. How are your parents? 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 They are very easy, very common, very simple for you. Okay. Here I have used how is. How's your father? How's your father? House, house, house. How's your father? How's your father? How is your father? How's your father? See, number 4. Well, children, look at the board. Try to find out your own answer. Look at number 5. Is your book there? Is your book there? It's a different one. It's another question. I haven't used number 5, number 6, and number 7. Any question about? Is your book there? Come back to the point. Is your book there? Is your book there? Pay attention. Have you got your book? Is your book there? Okay. Is your book there? Is your book there? Okay. Is your book there? Have you got? Have you got it? Are your shoes black? Are your shoes black? Are your shoes black? Here I have used are. Okay. Are your shoes black? Are your shoes black? Okay. Are your shoes black? Look at number 7. Am I clear? Am I clear? Am I clear? Well, children, try to find out answers. Okay. Let's try. Let's try together. Where's your? Friend, where are you? Look here. Where are you? Okay. Anushka Yadav, where are you?
I am at home.
Let me write Vita. At
Home.
home. Any problem is there?
No, sir.
Where are you? I'm at home. I'm at
Yes, sir.
home.
Home.
I'm at home. Okay, let me write here. Wait. We have a space. I'm at home. Okay? Is it
Yes,
clear,
sir.
beta? Any doubt?
No, sir. No doubt.
Where are you? I'm not asking to you, okay? I'm asking to you all. Okay, beta?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Where are you? I'm at home.
Yes.
I'm home. I'm home.
Home.
You can write. Any problem is there? No.
No, sir.
I'm home. Okay. Anushka, I want to ask this question. Where are you? Where are you, Anushka? Where are you right
am at-
now? Where are you at
I
the
am-
moment? Where are you at this time? Where are you? Please tell me. Where are you?
I am at home. I am at home.
I'm at home. We are
Yes,
getting
sir.
answers?
Yes, sir.
We are getting different answers. You may answer differently. May you answer differently, okay? Sure. Look at number 2. Wait, beta. Where is this? Anchal Rajbar. Anchal Rajbar, am I audible to you? Anchal Rajbar, can you hear me clearly? आंचल राजभर, आंचल राजभर, आंचल राजभर, हेलो, हेलो, आंचल राजभर, आंचल राजभर, I'm not reaching there. Wait, let me attend another one. सार्थक सिंह, सार्थक सिंह, सार्थक, सूर्यांश राजभर, आई एम कमिंग टू यू. सूर्यांश, सूर्यांश, hello, सूर्यांश, look at the board. Sit properly. Suryansh, look at the board. Okay. Where's your friend? Where's your friend? Suryansh, where's your friend? I want to ask this question. Okay. This is my question. This question goes to you. Where's your friend? Where's your friend? Hello? Where's your friend? He's home. Okay? He's home. Where's your friend? He's home. He's at home. Okay? He's home. Where's your friend? Where's your friend, Suryans? Where's your friend, Suryans? He's home. Okay? Hello? Where's your friend? He's home. Are you getting my answer? Hello, Suryans? Aryan Gupta. Hello, beta. Sit properly. Don't move. Students, be watchful. Okay. He's home. Okay? Suryans. Wait. Mute yourself. Ayush Pratap. Ayush,
Yes. Yes, sir.
are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ayush, look at the board. Okay. Number 3. Look at number 3. Hello. Ayush Pratap. Look at number 3, beta. Turn on videos. Hello. Come back to the point. How are your parents? Hello? Ayush Pratap. Ayush Pratap Singh, 5346. How are your parents? Ayush? Ayush Pratap Singh.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, beta.
Yes, sir.
Look at the number 3. How are your parents?
My parents is fine.
My
Thank
parents is fine.
Fine. Thank you.
No. My parents is fine. I'm asking.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is.
I-S. Yes.
No, beta.
I-S.
No. My parents. Parents. Subject is singular plural here. According to subject, you must use is, and are. My parents are
Are
fine.
My parents are fine.
Yeah. My parents are. Okay. They are.
बोल क्या?
They are.
They are. They
They are fine. Okay.
Nah.
They are fine.
They are fine. They are. A-R-E.
Yeah. They
They
are. They are.
are.
They are
Yes.
fine. They are.
A-R-E. Fine.
They are fine.
They are fine.
Okay.
They are fine.
Is it clear,
Are.
beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
A-R-E. Sir, they A-R-E.
Yes, beta. You are clear now here. Wait. Where is it? Turn on videos, beta. Turn on videos. Ayush. Ayush Pandey, look at number 4.
Yes, sir.
Ayush Pandey. Turn on your videos,
Yes,
beta.
sir.
Turn on your videos. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Turn on your video, sit properly. Okay. Look at the number 4, Ayush.
Yes, sir.
How's your father? How's your father?
My father is fine.
My father is fine. He is fine or well. Okay?
Yes, sir.
How is your father? He is fine or he is well. Okay? Wait. Aryan Gupta. Aryan Gupta, sit properly. Aryan, are you sleeping?
क्या सर?
Are you sleeping or are you sitting?
नो सर.
Sit properly. Sit properly, beta.
आर यू स्लीपिंग?
Sit properly. Pay attention, sit properly. Aryan Gupta, 5086. Students, sit properly, beta. Pay attention. Amrit Pratap, Suryans, turn on your videos. Ayush Kumar. Aryan, are you ready, Aryan? Hello?
यस सर.
Okay.
यस सर.
Okay. Look at number 5, Aryan. Look at number 5, beta.
यस सर.
Try to answer.
So please side.
Okay. Is your book there? Is your book there?
Is your book there?
Look at number 5. Is your book there?
Yes, there is my book.
Is your book there? Answer. Try to answer, beta. Are you getting answer? No.
Repeat question.
Is your book there? Is your book there? Are you able to get an answer like this? No. You are getting
Is your book there?
different. You are getting a different one. Is your book there? Yes and no. Here you will be get yes and no type answer. Is your book there? See. Yes,
Book there.
it is. Yes, it is there. Yes, my book is there. Aryan. Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, it is. Is your book there?
It is.
Yes, it is
It is.
there. Yes, it is.
It is there.
Are you
There.
clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Is it
Yes,
clear now?
sir.
Hello? Is it clear now? Turn on your videos. Students, I want to watch everyone. Hello, beta. Now, is your book there? Yes, it is there. Yes, it is. And if you have no, 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 it is not there. No, it is not. See. Okay? No, it is not there. Students, sit properly, turn on your videos. Just try to follow something. Okay? Yes, it is there. Yes, it is. No, it's not. No, it's not there. Is your book there? No, it's not there. No, it's not. Okay? Look at the number 6. Dibyan Singh. Dibyan Singh. I'm coming to you, Dibyan Singh. Dibyans. Turn on your videos, beta. Dibyansh.
Yes, sir.
Properly. Turn on videos. Dibyans.
Sir, video on हो गया.
Yeah. Look at the number 6, beta. Be watchful. Hello. 5 Mashur. Ayush Kumar. Anki Singh. Sarthak Singh. Turn on your videos. Are your shoes black? Are your shoes black? Are your shoes new? Are your shoes nice? See, but I have given a question. Are your shoes black? Dibyansh? Dibyansh? Dibyan Singh? Hello? Dibyan Singh. Okay, beta. Anushka Yadav.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are your shoes black?
Yes, they are black. Yes,
Yes.
they are black.
Yes.
They are.
They.
Are.
Yes, they
Yes,
are.
they are.
It's okay, beta.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are. No.
No, they are not. No, they are not.
No, they are.
Not.
They are not.
Not.
Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
No, they are not.
Not.
Okay. Just mute yourself. Ankit Singh. Ankit Singh. Hello. Ankit Singh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Look at the number 7. Ankit.
Yes. Yes,
Number
sir.
7, beta. Am I clear? Am I clear? Look at the number 7. Am I clear? Have you got a question?
No, I am not clear.
No.
I have not.
No. You. You are not. No. You are. No, you are not. Yes. You are.
Yes,
Yes.
you are.
Are. Am I clear? Yes. You are. Yes, you are. Am I clear? No, you are not. No, you are not. Okay? Children, try to follow all very well. Thank you. It's enough.